So hello everyone, welcome to the video. So today is day 6 of us building our agency, and today basically we are going to do client approaching through email. Now yesterday we did that, and yesterday Afan and I did for experiment, so we didn't do that much, and I was also busy yesterday, all day busy. I was out since 8 a.m. Then I came home. Then I was just got busy in some work. But today we are free. And by the way, in morning I woke up very late, and for some reason my health is not well. Like was not well. Now it's completely like not completely, sorry. Like it's fine though. It's fine. Okay. So yeah, right now the time is, as you can see, it's 6:45 or something. So we are going to do that. Plus the emails, the amount of emails we did yesterday was kind of three or four because we were doing for experiment. Then we decided that we will split the states because we have experienced everything. Now we will do separately. So I have chosen the Alaska state, and in that list we have around 150 leads. 150 leads is a lot for me right now, so I'm not setting a kind of target or something because I don't want to lose any kind of thing that we shouldn't in order to complete the target. So I'm gonna do as much as I can. I'm just not burdenizing it. Even I didn't touch the emails in the morning, I'm gonna do it right now. So I will show you the time lapse, but I guess let's do it, then I will give you the another update regarding this thing. So I guess let's go. Alright, so far I have done three emails, which is more than enough. Which is, I know, not that much. It's just three, I know, but as this is my second time, I'm seeing myself that I'm kind of doing so many mistakes. With that, I'm improving in other things as well. Let me tell you how. So the first four emails that we did yesterday, we didn't include our offer. We completely forgot our offer. That our offer was we can get you 10 qualified leads, X qualified leads, and if you didn't, you otherwise you don't pay. So this was our offer, that you don't pay to grab the attention of clients. But now we are realizing that we didn't include that. So now all three emails, yep, or for all three emails I included that. Even I was not able to find the any problem in their website or their Facebook page because it was so perfect. Like not exactly perfect, but you can say their website was good looking, user experience was friendly, everything was in detail. So there was no way we could target them on the basis of their website. So we had only option if they were running ads or not, so we could reach out to them on the basis of that. So we did reach them. So yeah, I did three emails, and in every one of them I included about meta ads that we will provide that. And basically they had very less followers on Facebook. That means reputation. So if they are looking for a reputation as well, so I targeted them with as well. Like the email that I just did, I wrote, while exploring your website, I came across your Facebook page where I noticed you guys have a pretty nice reputation in the market, but you guys are not running ads. In some emails I also used, you guys have a pretty decent reputation in the market and not running ads. We specialize in providing services like meta ads to business, like you are helping them generate at least 10 qualified leads per month. And in the bracket I wrote, otherwise you don't pay. So this is like a hook for them to stick with it. Otherwise my email will go in spam without openings, I guess. In recent times the concept of meta ads has been improved a lot. It is necessary to take the benefit of that. So this is like a very summarized thing, this is the first email that I did of this day. The third email was very detailed. So I included every single thing of them because I was learning through the previous emails as well. Like what can I add more according to their page, according to their website. So yeah, this is the thing. And obviously I cannot just share the information that they are lacking, otherwise they will just take the benefit of that and will not ask me. So I don't need to do that as well. So yeah, I guess I will do more emails as well. Then I will meet you guys, and I might give you other updates as well. So stay tuned for that.
2 hours later.
All right, so I have done pretty much all right, so I have sent pretty much more emails, and I'm just expecting the replies in just few days. While I was doing these emails, I realized that there are tons of things which we don't know currently. How to deal with people that don't have good website, or they have good website but they don't have good offers. Like, we are not how do I tell, like, we are going for specific things so we can hook them in the email, but the thing is we are unable to see the things through them. Like, there was a client who had very bad website, but still we emailed them regarding Facebook ads, and I realized that they were already running ads. So it's like there was no use of asking them. Either what I could do, that I could ask them for their website. So I did that, and I'm now realizing that their website had wrong email. I took their email from their Facebook page, where I checked if they were running ads or not. So there are kind of things like this, so we don't know that in what thing we should see. So obviously it would come with the experience. You can consider I have done very less emails. I don't know the numbers exactly. There are tons of them funded as well. I will show in other day how many emails he did. So currently, you can say we are going with a very nice pace. We are learning. Obviously, definitely we are learning. Some of the emails were well written, long in detail, so our client could understand the things that we were trying to say. Like, we need, I don't know, somehow if in the future, I'm just checking the mic, somehow, who knows, in the future we will need to deal with the people who already running the ads, who are running the ads already. So I guess that would make it more complicated for us to deal with them. Plus, the lead that I'm currently emailing on is from New York City. So if you don't know, New York is very, like, well established. So all their websites are nice. All their Facebook pages are filled with reels and content, so they are not running out of any of them. So it's like that. Now it's up to me that what do I do, how I do, and from which method do I do. So I guess I just need to keep practicing on that. Just send an emails daily. Obviously we are gonna get at that level very soon if you just stick with that. And I guess, yeah, that's for it. Today was a very busy day, and sick day as well. So yeah, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and like the video. Bye bye, see you in the next one.